In just a few minutes, this story will improve your English and surprise you. Let's begin. Listen carefully. Imagine as much as you can from the story. You don't need to understand everything right away. Slow down, take your time to get familiar with the language. This is your moment, a chance to learn English through an exciting story. Here are some questions to help you understand better what you'll hear. What did Charlie lose? Where could the lost item be? Will Charlie find it in time? Get ready. Pay close attention. Let yourself be surprised. At the end of the story, please write your answers to these questions or share what you liked the most in the comments. I'd love to read your thoughts. Charlie and the Missing Room Key. Chapter 1. Welcome to the Hotel. Charlie and Emma stepped into the hotel lobby with wide eyes. There were sparkling chandeliers, soft music, and the sweet smell of tropical flowers. "This is fancy," said Charlie, adjusting his backpack. "Where's the pool? I want to swim," said Emma, already holding her goggles. Mom smiled. "First, let's check in and find our room." Dad spoke with the receptionist and got a plastic key card. "Room 312, third floor," he announced proudly. They got into the elevator. Emma pressed the button. Charlie imagined the giant bed, the soft pillows, and the view from the window. But when they got to the room... Dad, Charlie asked, "where's the key?" Dad checked his pockets, then his backpack, then his wallet. "It's gone," he said. Emma gasped. "What? We lost the key?" Mom said gently, "Maybe it fell somewhere. Let's go back and retrace our steps." Chapter 2. Operation Find the Key. Charlie took out his notebook. "Okay, detective time. We were at the front desk, the elevator, and now here. Where could it be?" Emma drew a quick map. She marked a red X in the elevator. They ran back downstairs. At the reception desk, "Did anyone find a key card?" asked Charlie. The lady shook her head. "No, sweetie, but you can check with the cleaning staff. They sometimes find things." They looked near the lobby sofas. Charlie even crawled under a table. Still nothing. Emma had an idea. "Let's ask the elevator guy. He saw us." Chapter 3. The Clue. Near the elevator stood a tall man in a blue uniform, polishing buttons. "Excuse me," Charlie said. "Did you see a room key for 312? The man smiled. "Yes. A little white card. I found it on the floor just 5 minutes ago. I gave it to the cleaning lady." "Where is she now?" Emma asked. "She just went up, to the 3rd floor." Charlie and Emma jumped back into the elevator. "Hurry, we're close." Chapter 4. Found and Funny. At the end of the hallway, they saw a cleaning cart. A lady in a green apron was placing howls on a shelf. "Excuse me," said Charlie, catching his breath. "Did you find a key card?" She smiled and held it up. "Is this what you're looking for?" "Yes!" Charlie and Emma shouted in unison. "I was about to take it to the Lost and Found." They thanked her and ran back to Mom and Dad. "We found it," said Emma proudly. "Good job, detectives," said Dad. They opened the door to room 312. Finally. Charlie threw himself on the bed. Emma pulled out her teddy bear. The room smelled like fresh soap and pineapple. "Now can we go swimming?" asked Emma. "After one more mission," said Charlie. "Unpack and find the TV remote." Everyone laughed. Chapter 5. Lessons Learned. As they walked toward the pool in their flip-flops, Charlie turned to Emma. "Next time we hold on tight to the key." Emma nodded. "And maybe get 2. One for you, one for me." Mom smiled. "Looks like we've got 2 very good problem solvers in the family." The sun shone on the water. Charlie jumped into the pool with a splash. Another adventure solved.